Here in Florida, we have a very steady presence and a very strong presence. We grew sevenfold over the last 8 years. And you will find out we plan to continue to grow, in particular here in Palm Beach County.
At the Civic Association's Signature Series program, Cleveland Clinic leaders share detailed expansion plans for the area.
That story straight ahead on Palm Beach TV.
The Palm Beach Civic Association brings you Palm Beach TV, the island's only newscast, sponsored by the Fortin Foundation of Florida. Now, the news.
Welcome to Palm Beach TV. I'm Sally Lewis. We're kicking off the first Signature Series of the season with some exciting news. Cleveland Clinic is expanding its presence into West Palm Beach, bringing cutting-edge treatments closer to the island.
The luncheon drew Civic Association members along with the mayor and several town council members. Chairman Michael Pasillo thanked the Civic Association's directors, calling them the backbone of the organization and recognizing their ongoing commitment to the community.
Indeed, some have asked you, how can I help? You can help by continuing to be the good ambassadors you have been for our organization and spreading the word to others in our community of the important work that the Palm Beach Civic Association does and has been doing for 82 years in our community.
Civic Association CEO Mary Robison thanked members of the organization's Volunteer Healthcare Committee for their ongoing efforts to educate the community and bring neighbors together. She then recognized Leo and Catherine Vasilio for arranging the program.
We thank you, Leo and Catherine. Leo is a member of our executive committee, co-chairman of our water committee, and a Civic Association director since 2013. And Catherine has been a Civic Association director since 2020. Leo and Catherine, again, we thank you so much for making this speaker series possible.
Founded in 1921 by 4 physicians, Cleveland Clinic has grown into one of the nation's leading nonprofit medical centers known for integrating patient care, research, and education. The medical system has about 15 million patient encounters each year and employs 83,000 people, about 12,000 in Florida. President and CEO Dr. Tomislav Mikhailovich says the focus remains on team-based care.
People are just exceptionally motivated to work together, so we always strive to serve our patients with a heart. We always work as a team, and with that we've been shaping the future of Cleveland, of not just Cleveland Clinic, but of healthcare for very, very many years. And what you can expect from us is not necessarily a perfection, because that doesn't exist in our line of work, but certainly a commitment to provide you here in Palm Beach with the best care available.
Dr. Connor Delaney, a colorectal surgeon who joined Cleveland Clinic in 1999, highlighted the system's nationally recognized heart and liver transplant programs at its Weston Hospital, with the liver transplant program achieving the best survival rate in the country. After reviewing 14 potential sites, this location off Australian Avenue, just north of Okeechobee Boulevard, was selected for the new 150-bed hospital with an estimated opening in late 2029.
So we'll have emergency care. So stroke, heart attack, think of any emergency that you need. We will have that level of care here. Again, with teams who are running the same stroke protocols and heart protocols that we run at Weston, that we run at Tradition, that we run at Main Campus in Ohio. Very integrated.
The Signature Series program was sponsored by Related Ross. CEO and Chairman Stephen Ross has served as a Civic Association director since 2012. Several attendees told us the expansion comes at the right time.
I think it'll have a huge impact. I mean, as our community grows, City of West Palm Beach grows, the county grows, we need quality medical care and service and patient care, and that's going to improve in our area.
I thought the presentation was very good, and we're actually anxious to have the Cleveland Clinic in West Palm Beach. We think it's if we think of what are some of the shortcomings right now of this area, it's the lack of a number of healthcare organizations to choose from. And I think the nice part about Cleveland Clinic is they have such a great reputation that we're really looking forward to them finally being here and having an actual hospital here.
You can watch the full presentation, including the audience question and answer section, by clicking the link in the resources section of this video. A reminder, as Palm Beach prepares for the March 10th municipal election, residents can hear from the candidates at the Civic Association's February 23rd Candidates Forum, featuring Group 1 contenders Lou Crampton and John David Corey. The forum begins at 10 a.m. at Bethesda by the Sea. RSVP at palmbeachcivic.org under Programs and Forums. Go to votepalmbeach.gov for more information.
And that wraps up Palm Beach TV. Stay up to date with the island's only newscast at palmbeachcivic.org and through our social media. If you're not a member of the Palm Beach Civic Association, we invite you to join at palmbeachcivic.org. Until next time, thank you for watching.
Palm Beach TV is a production of the Palm Beach Civic Association. We thank our sponsor, the Fortin Foundation of Florida, and encourage you to let us know how we can further provide news coverage that best serves our members and residents.